Hi guys, you are watching Second Source. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 ways to improve your productivity while working from home. But before we do that, if you have not already, subscribe for more content like this. Number 1. Set a schedule. Just as it is important to work from home during these crucial times, it is equally important to give yourself time for home and your other tasks when you need it. For some people, working from home may lead them off track with poor time management and ultimately poor work performance. Setting a work-life balance is a very important thing to consider when you are working from home. It makes you productive and reduces stress. You should always make a routine of your work days and working hours, and it must be scheduled in a way that you can implement it with ease and stick to it. Setting reasonable work hours is also important, as according to the latest scientific research, long working hours can be unhealthy. On the days when you need to finish a pile of work in a given time, you can extend your work time for that particular day. But this flexibility should be limited and must not be repeated daily, as overtime can be quite stressful for you both physically and mentally. Number 2. Get dressed. Even if you don't interact with another person all day while you work from home, it is still important to dress well, like you are going to work physically. Wake up early, take a shower, brush your teeth, and dress yourself up before you start working. Dressing up in comfortable clothing like a t-shirt or sweatpants would make you feel lazy, sleepy, and unmotivated. If it is difficult for you to get yourself dressed early in the morning to work from home, try preparing your outfit for the day the night before. Dressing up professionally will help you work professionally, ultimately increasing your productivity. Number 3. Create an at-home office. While working from home, it is tempting to work from your bed, sofa, or any comfortable place you find, but this can prove to reduce your performance in your task. To increase your productivity, try to allot a specific room, desk, or chair to enable your brain to adapt to knowing it's your work time. This way, your brain will associate your bed with sleep, your sofa with relaxation, and your workspace with work only. Your energy level will shift accordingly and you will be more active at work. Working from an at-home office will help you feel more attentive, more confident, and more organized. Equip your at-home office with a comfortable chair, a spacious desk, good Wi-Fi, and required workplace tools. Number 4. Take a few breaks. If you manage to make a schedule to build a work-life balance, then you should also add breaks for yourself throughout the day while you work from home. Make sure you don't spend all your day sitting at your work desk. A study in 2011 revealed that workers taking at least 2 short breaks when given a particular task remained more productive than workers who took no breaks at all. This highlights the importance of taking breaks while you work. Another study found out that the most productive workers were those who worked for about 50 minutes at a time and then took a break of 15 to 20 minutes before resuming. If you are not taking breaks while working from home, try this pattern to be more productive. Moving around and keeping yourself active will help you concentrate better and will keep away stress. Number 5. Limit distractions. The only way to be efficient while working from home is to set your boundaries. While at home, it is difficult to maintain a balance between professional and personal life. You need to set a boundary for your family members, pets, or roommates while you're working from home. Try to communicate with them before you start working and ask them to leave you alone while you work. Doing this will help you stay focused, ultimately increasing your productivity. You can keep these boundaries friendly. One such idea is that you can try to keep a sign at the door indicating whether you're working or not, so that your family may know about you being busy and not disturb you. Number 6. Be patient. In this uncertain time, you can easily get stressed out or overwhelmed. You can avoid it by being patient. Choose something as a part of your routine that relaxes you. Try spending time with your family, friends, kids, or pets. Following a schedule can help you with managing your stress. Take help from your colleagues whenever you feel stuck and try helping others in need. Try to be grateful for things you are blessed with and not take any blessing for granted. Hopefully, things will get better with time. Number 7. Install quality technology. Most people think working from home is easy as you can work at your own pace from the comfort of your home. But a slow internet connection, an outdated system, and the absence of required technology can set you back. How frustrating is it when you are attending a FaceTime meeting and lose your internet connection? or you miss out on an important discussion due to poor network issues. It is indeed frustrating and causes several problems. Good internet connection and technology are the keys for people working from home. If your system or device keeps breaking off, frequently disrupting your work, it would affect your work efficiency, ultimately decreasing your productivity. So you should invest in an affordable device from a genuine brand of technology that comes with good features and possesses the latest version of the processor. Number 8. Eat and sleep right. Following a healthy diet is very important when you are a working person. You should opt for food that helps you gain energy instead of draining it. Eating junk won't help you enhance your productivity. Try eating energizing meals for lunch like green vegetables, fish, meat, legumes, and whole grain. Resist junk religiously. You can include fruits, nuts, and berries in your diet. Fruit juices can also help you a lot with your energy levels. And drink lots of water. However, avoid eating more than your capacity. Some people end up eating more than required when working from home. Overeating can make you sluggish. Along with being on a good diet, try to keep your sleeping schedule right. I would suggest that you try going to bed at a proper time, get a minimum of 6 hours of sleep, and wake up early to be more productive at work. Number 9. Resist social media. What's your first move after waking up in the morning? Turn on your data and log into one of your favorite social media apps. We all tend to waste most of our time on social media. Similarly, the last thing you do before sleeping is scroll through your social media accounts. Social media is quite addictive and very time-consuming. It can also distract you from your work, reducing your productivity, especially at home when you have no one to keep a check on you. A new notification popping up will make you check your phone now and then. This interrupts your work pace and wastes your time. You must avoid such distractions by learning self-restraint and keeping your notifications off. Number 10. Interact with the team. Working from home can be quite confusing at times. When you are working at the office, you are surrounded by colleagues from whom you can take help when stuck. On the other hand, working from home can be quite lonely. Even if you have a family at home, they can't help you with your work tasks, right? Lack of communication with colleagues and your team can make you feel disconnected. Still, you can figure out ways to connect with them that suits you. You can find several chat channels and FaceTime applications, which allow you to connect to your team, conduct group meetings, and stay updated. Video calling is a great way to stay connected with your colleagues and have some fun at the same time. By doing so, you can nurture professional relationships and enhance your productivity. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it and press that bell button so you receive a notification each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.